It is indeed a pleasure and privilege to present our project Radio, Flash and USB in a chip in TI India Analog Design Contest 2010. Today, advancement in PC technology is at a paced rate. Still, a separate tuner card is essential to tune the radio waves. This project is aimed to enable the radio facility as a secondary feature in USB device. Hence, avoids the necessity of a separate provision and slot for radio enabled in laptops or PCs. The function of tuner card is incorporated into USB device, and separate radio tuner card for each system can be completely avoided. This device is of low cost and low power consumption. The special features of TDA 7021 are RF input stage, loop amplifier, LF amplifier, IF amplifier or limiter, and frequency detector. The special features of TPA 611A2 are 150 MW stereo output, PC power supply compatible, thermal and short circuit protection, surface mount package.
Special features of TPA 2008 D2: low noise floor, 3 watt per channel to 3 ohm speakers, operating temperature range is -40 to 85 degrees centigrade, surface mount power pad used in powered speaker. A new circuit design containing a radio receiver circuit for tuning radio waves and power amplifier for signal amplification is implemented in PCB board. Interstitial noise as well as noise from receiving weak signal is reduced. TPA 611A2 is designed for operating over a supply voltage of 2.5 volt to 5.5 volt.
The chips are powered by using USB using a USB jack. The memory chip ranging from 64 MB to 2 TB can be used for data transfer. Simultaneously, radio facility can be enabled as and when required. The power from USB jack is used to drive the whole PCB design. In addition to this, simultaneous data transfer is incorporated in this design. The entire layout is designed in the general purpose PCB board. Here we have incorporated with TDA 7021 FM receiver IC to decode the radio signals. This IC is a fixed programmed one which senses the frequency of range 88 MHz to 108 MHz. It is highly sensitive device and high field strength detection capability. The power from USB jack is drawn into UA78M33, a positive voltage regulator. It provides 5 volt supply to operate the entire PCB design. TDA gets enabled and perform FM receiving operation. We can either use in two ways. Firstly, it captures the high field strength FM station present in our locality. Secondly, the IR based sensor system where the remote control can be used to select the stations available. The captured signal is amplified by using TPA 2008 D2. It has high signal to noise ratio and provides better amplification. This captured signal is given as an input to headphone amplifier TPA 611A2 and the output is obtained using a powered speaker.
तब से जगी है बेचैनियाँ
The pen train with radio-enabled facility at low cost and low power consumption with efficient energy utilization revolutionized the existing markets. The high-speed serial data transfer along with radio-enabled can take over the function of a separate tuner card. Moreover, it is handy, user-friendly and portable. This project can be further extended to avoid the use of separate TV tuner card in PC or laptop. The UHF frequency can be decoded using receiver circuit which provides efficient spectrum utilization. We extend our sincere thanks to Lion Dr. K.S. Rangasamy, Chairman, KSR Educational Institutions, our beloved Principal Dr. K. Tyagaraja, Head of the Department Dr. K.B. Jayati, and Project Coordinator Mr. C. Rajshekharan for their continuous support and encouragement.
We thank all the faculty members of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology, our parents and friends for their support in completing this project.
We thank Dr. C.P. Ravi Kumar, University Relations, Texas Instruments, Bangalore, Mr. Sagar Juneja, Mr. Ullas Taneja and Karan Tiwari for their timely information and encouragement.